Okay, so this is the piano. It's a very nice glossy mahogany finish, as you can see. I've already put it on the organ sound, which is this button here. It's got quite a few of them to choose from, so that's the main one, the pipe organ sound. Lower register. Okay, let's choose the other one. So a little bit different, a little bit brighter. Next one. It's more like a jazzy sound, so you're not going to be using it in a chapel probably. The volume, so let's just check the volume for you. Let's put the maximum volume. It's quite a big speakers on this one, so I don't think you will need external amplification, but in case you do, the piano has a lot of inputs and outputs. You can have the microphone plugged in here, which is very useful as well if you're doing some sort of a service and you need to speak as well at the same time. This is where your microphone can be plugged in and it can be amplified through the piano speakers. And also, as you can see, you've got all sort of connectors here. You can connect external amplifiers as well if needs be. But the piano is very big, the speakers are very big as well. I don't think that will be needed really. Alright, let me know if you need anything else. I can see there's another feature here which says organ and flutes. Now that's more like for a jazzy music as well. Alright, thank you so much. In case you need any other information, please let me know. Speak soon. Thanks a lot.